let's answer a question. What is the Erasmus Plus program about? Or, even more important, what can Erasmus provide you?
Well, to begin with, hi, I'm Raquel, a student at the Sandro Sempere High School, and I'm gonna talk about the relevance of the Erasmus Plus program for secondary and upper high school students in less than 4 minutes.
We'll go over the different benefits such as personal, academic, and professional ones. But above all, the key question is, can Erasmus help you enter the job market, or rather, does it offer better professional opportunities?
In order to pursue my goal, answering this question, it was essential to search all the existing studies on the topic. So I started researching on the Alnet, over 1,000 studies Erasmus, but less than 20 actually addressed to whether participating in Erasmus Plus could improve employability. And even then, all of them focused on the university level. That's when I realized the need of further investigating this issue, especially its impact on high school students, given the lack of research in this area. To do so, I had to reach out to a total of 81 different companies to find out whether they actually consider Erasmus mobility when evaluating job candidates. This was key to answering all my questions. But no spoilers. Wait.
What is the Erasmus Plus program about?
Erasmus Plus is the European Union's program that supports personal, educational, and professional development through mobility experiences abroad.
A year ago, I was an exchange student myself. And from that moment on, something in me changed. Because that's exactly what Erasmus Plus does. It shows you everything you're capable of achieving, even when you don't realize it yet. You gain countless of soft skills, highly valued by employers, and improve your language abilities, mastering English, and in my case, a few words in Norwegian. Jeg Raquel, vær så god, tusen takk. But above all, what Erasmus truly gave me was a strong connections with people from all over the world, and that's exactly the essence of Erasmus Plus, bringing us together. It's a bridge that connects people and countries through learning, but follow me to get to know them.
Hei, jeg heter Eskil, og jeg er 19 år og kommer fra Telemark i Norge, og dette er mitt lille bidrag til Raquel sitt skoleprojekt.
Cześć, ja się nazywam Amelie, ja jestem z Polski i mieszkam teraz w Niemczech.
Hallo, mein Name ist Annika und ich komme aus Deutschland.
Ciao, sono Giada, sono una ragazza italiana di Bergamo, del nord Italia, e l'Italia è un paese bellissimo, pieno di cultura, di buon cibo, e niente, conosco Raquel perché ha fatto Erasmus al COI. Ciao!
Labas, mano vardas Gediminas ir aš esu iš Lietuvos.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Romane et j'habite en France. Au plaisir de vous rencontrer. Au revoir.